I'm Reverend Mrs. Sabina Bonzi, Ghanata SHS, the HO. We had a topic on food commodity and we did poultry. Because of the influence of this, children of today don't know how to disjoint and dress a bed. So we decided to have the practicals on how to disjoint a bed and also how to dress it. Even killing, some of them were crying. So I will encourage other teachers in other schools to teach our young ones how to kill, how to disjoint, and how to dress a pig. So that when we are no more there, we have people who will be after us, who also teach their children how to do the right thing. Thank you. Me, I like the hair. How many of you like hair? So I'm teaching you how to. What do you call it? Hey. The comb. Yes. And this is what? Who taught you? You.
Madam Bonzi.
So this one is not eatable. This one, when you put it on your food, yes, and you are chopping, it's so interesting. All right. So the same procedure here. I'm going to disjoint. I don't need the leg, so I cut the leg. I break so that I'll have the joints. Then, as for this, the nails, I don't know who will choose. So I should leave it for you. But if you cut it, it makes it neat. So you split it to get rid of what? What am I? Thank you. The vein. So I pull it. This is the vein. And I cut it. So whatever you do here, you do the same here. But I'm doing only one. Now, this is the time. Anytime you are doing, remember that we have what inside? The bile. So whatever I'm going to remove it, I should make sure that the bile will not burst. If it should burst, then I have to throw this thing away because it's bitter. So when it gets to this point, I have to concentrate. So anytime I'm doing it, when it gets to this time, I don't talk. Even if you ask me, because I won't mind you. I won't mind. So I will slit it a little. I need a little slit. Here, the buttocks is here. This is not the buttocks. The anus is here. The lower part of it. Here, you split it open, not too big. I'm not a lefty, so I have to bring it to this side. Then I insert one finger. No, go there. Go there. That is why I am doing it and talking at the same time. You insert one finger. What am I doing? I'm disjointing the organs from wherever they have these small veins that holds it together. And I want to disjoint, I want to break it so that I'll be able to remove all the organs from the bed. Are you okay? Yes. All right. So some of the bed are too hard. Sometimes they are too big. So one hand cannot do it. So you start with one hand, then you pull. You go again. Then when it's going to this side, I can't use my one hand. So I can double it. Yes. Sometimes some of the beds are big. Sometimes all your 5 hands has to go inside. No, wait, anyway. Let me look at your bed. So I should use this like that. Yes, and I need what are you doing?
I've only seen a chicken in the supermarket, so it's already
dressed.
Already dressed. Watch it. She's my friend.
Are you guys using?
That's the one is dark, one is fair. Thank you.
Thank
you. You see? You see the way I'm taking my time to do it? Yes. Why do you think I'm taking my time? Thank you.
This is like intestine.
Yes, the
intestine. Yes. They're going to get breaks.
Yes.
No longer good. So somebody must do all this because they send it to the supermarket, huh?
That's what they do. Yes. That's what they do.
Wow.
Turn everything out. What is the A? Hey!
I don't know what's wrong with you.
What is best? Yours got best.
But not in the meat, like when she
I didn't. Didn't have it. I didn't.
mine.
No, I didn't.
But I got good meat,
No, I didn't. I didn't.
you bow, come out.
Oh, yeah, I'm not saying I'm even done. The bar is here.
Madam. So, go and do yours. What is the airport? All of the girls have tried themselves.
No, yeah.
chicken without bursting the bowl. And then we also learned how to marinate the chicken and then spice it to make it nice. And then we learned how to roast the chicken, and they told us that when roasting the chicken, you use aluminium foil to wrap the chicken before you put it in the oven. That was what I learned.
My name is Kelvina Nakinak. I'm in 2H1 and today I learned how to kill a chicken and also marinate it. How to roast and bake chicken. That's what I learned.
I'm Prince Latte from Ghanata Senior High, and I'm having a practical on how to disjoin fowl and how to grill, how to roast, and how to fry. Thank you.
My name is Ghanata. I'm in H1. Today we did a practical on how to disjoin a chicken and how to make the chicken. We are frying it. Thank you.
I'm Christiana Adele Ade. Today we learn how to kill a pork and how to dress it and how to garnish it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mariam Sakari from 2H1 class. And today we had a practical on poultry and we learned how to kill it, dress it, marinate it, season everything, every corner. We were able to remove the internal organs and also to stuff it with vegetables to garnish it well. And also we are going to chew our chicken alone. No one is invited.
My name is Gloria Mauno Aho. I'm from 2H1. Today I learned how to kill fowl. It was very difficult. I nearly cried them. But it was really good and fun. Thank you.
My name is Daniela. I'm in 2H1 and then today I've learned how to kill it and how to dress it, how to roast it with aluminium foil. And I've learned so when I get to my
Hi there, please, my name is Cody and I'm the 2H1 students of Ghanata. What we learned was how to prepare the poultry, whereby we went ahead learning how to join the poultry and disjoin the poultry, and then we also learned how to cook chicken in food. Thank you.
My name is Kupasika Hussein. I'm in 2H2. Today I learned how to kill a fowl, how to disjoin the parts, and how to fry and how to bake it. Thank you.
My name is Josina Obiapia, and I'm in Ghanata Senior High School. I'm a Econs student from 2H1. Today we did poultry and I learned how to kill a fowl. It was too stressful, but all the same, I enjoyed it very, very well. I treat you to please kill a fowl in your house. Each and every day you have an electrician in your house. It is very, very nice. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Audrey Hamilton. I'm in 2H1 and I learned how to kill a poultry, precisely chicken, how to marinate it, how to garnish it, and the various ways of cutting it. Thank you.